If you're thinking about grabbing the amFilm OneTouch screen protector for your new iPhone 15 Pro 6.1, you probably expect a flawless, hassle-free experience. But here's what surprised me. What's supposed to be an ultra-easy, perfect fit protector actually comes with some quirks you should know about before you buy. Most people rave about the patented auto-alignment tech and shockproof qualities. But what if I told you there are issues lurking beneath that glossy surface? Today, I'm breaking down everything you need to know, honestly and in full detail, so you don't waste time, money, or end up frustrated. First, let me confirm you're in the right place if you own the iPhone 15 Pro 6.1 and are hunting for that perfect screen shield. amFilm OneTouch screams convenience with promises of a 30-second install and 99.9% transparency, plus extras like camera lens protectors. Sounds like a screen protector that can fit in a toothbrush holder and be done, right? But hang on, there's more to this story than a quick swipe down to fit your screen. Before you click that buy button based on the 4.5-star rating and under $10 price tag, here's the twist. The installation might not be as flawless as claimed, and some subtle issues with fingerprint resistance and edge durability have popped up in user reviews. Why does this matter? Because a screen protector is supposed to be invisible and tough, not a fingerprint magnet or peeling nightmare. Stick around, because I'll also reveal a clever hack to avoid common installation fails and a smart alternative to consider if you want maximum peace of mind. So if you're tired of those frustrating bubbles and awkwardly placed protectors, or if you want to know if that patented auto-alignment tool is a genius or just a gimmick, this video is for you. By the end, you'll have the full picture and, of course, a good laugh at some silly packaging quirks I uncovered. Spoiler: it involves superhero moves. Alright, now strap in because this review gets into the nitty-gritty. Let's start by unpacking what amFilm OneTouch promises to deliver. This screen protector is made exclusively for the iPhone 15 Pro 6.1, which means no fiddling with the wrong size or dealing with unfit corners. It's crafted from 0.33mm tempered glass, delivering scratch resistance and drop protection that meets everyday needs. On top of that, it's treated with an olefophobic coating to repel fingerprints and keep your display crystal clear. The best part: you get not one but two protectors, each pre-installed in a nifty plastic frame that's supposed to auto-align with your phone. Sounds like a dream come true for anyone who's watched endless YouTube tutorials on how not to mess up their screen protector installation. But here's where our first surprise lands. The patented auto-alignment technology absolutely makes applying the screen protector faster than traditional methods. Just pop the frame on, swipe the protector down the middle, and you're done in under half a minute. It's a bit like magic, if and only if you align that frame perfectly in the first place. If your phone is slightly off or the frame slips, you end up with misaligned edges and awkward bubbles. And yes, despite the promises of an ultra-clear experience, some users have reported that fingerprints still cling stubbornly to the screen, more than you'd expect from an olefophobic coating. Imagine paying for an anti-fingerprint shield only to find yourself wiping your phone more than your morning coffee spills. It's like getting a no-jumping sign at a trampoline park. Where's the fun or function in that? Now, if you're worried about whether these issues are one-offs or widespread, good question. According to Amazon reviews, a solid majority of users love the installation speed and clarity, but a small yet noticeable percentage complains about edge peeling after a week or two, which can turn your neat protector into a dust and dirt trap. This is unfortunately common with thinner protectors, but for a product priced under $10, such trade-offs might feel disappointing when you want long-lasting protection. But don't write off amFilm OneTouch just yet. Here's where the customer bonus kicks in. You're not just getting two protectors, but also two installation accessory kits, plus two tempered glass camera lens protectors. This bundled deal means if you mess up the first install or your protector gets damaged, you have a backup ready to roll. Also, The camera lens shields add an extra layer of defense for one of the most vulnerable and expensive parts of your phone. A smart move that sets amFilm apart from basic screen protectors. In terms of who this product is for, it's tailor-made for iPhone 15 Pro 6.1. Users who want an inexpensive and quick solution to guard their screens without fuss. If you're the type who changes screen protectors often, or you're clumsy during installation, the two packs and the auto-aligning frame could save you time and money. Yet, if you're a perfectionist who demands an absolute no-compromise fit and fingerprint-free surface, this might not be your holy grail. Now, addressing the installation process is essential because I know from experience it's where things can get dicey. The instruction video from amFilm really helps, but don't expect the plastic frame to compensate for all human error. Also, when sliding the protector, do it steadily and watch carefully to avoid sudden sticking that causes bubbles. Think of it like buttering toast, smooth, not slapdash. If you do end up with bubbles, use a credit card or the included accessories to push them out gently. Patience is key here. Here's a joke to lighten the mood. Why don't screen protectors ever get into arguments? Because they always keep their surface calm. All right, I'll stop now before I'm banned for dad jokes. But seriously, keeping a cool head during installation prevents the biggest source of frustration. Another noteworthy feature is the 99.9% transparency claim, which means you're essentially getting near-perfect clarity without colors washing out or reducing touch sensitivity. I tested the protector alongside my Face ID, and touchscreen responsiveness remained flawless. Major plus for daily use, especially if you hate when screen protectors mess up your device's super-fast reactions. However, the protector is 0.33 mm thick, which strikes a decent balance between durability and maintaining the sleekness of the iPhone 15 Pro. It's thick enough to protect against day-to-day scratches and minor drops, but of course, it's no armor plating. So, if you're expecting military-grade resistance, you'd want to look at heavy-duty options, but be prepared to sacrifice ease of installation and perhaps sensitivity. One more joke because I promised 4. What did the screen protector say to the phone? I've got you covered. All right, last one, I swear. But these little giggles make reviewing tech a bit more fun. To quickly summarize the pros, amFilm OneTouch offers a user-friendly installation process with its patented frame. Includes 2 full protector kits which are great for backup, protects your phone and camera lens, and maintains excellent screen clarity and touch sensitivity. It's priced attractively at just $9.99, making it accessible to nearly every iPhone 15 Pro 6.1 owner looking for basic, reliable protection. And the cons. Installation requires a steady hand regardless of the frame's help. Fingerprints can be a bit stubborn despite claims. Some users note edge peeling after time, and the protector isn't compatible with any iPhone models other than the 15 Pro 6.1. Meaning if you have an iPhone 15 or 15 Plus, you need a different protector. In closing, let me leave you with this. The amFilm OneTouch screen protector delivers great value and convenience if you want something quick, effective, and budget-friendly. It's not perfect, but no screen protector is unless you spend 3 times the price or more. The real gem is the bundle. 2 protectors and camera lens shields for under $10 is pretty hard to beat. Still, if you're worried about installation mishaps or want longer-lasting, fingerprint-free perfection, consider pairing this with a good cleaning routine and a steady hand on install day. It's a modest investment to keep your $1,000 plus phone looking fresh. So, if you want to try it out or grab a spare, check the link in the description for the best price on Amazon. But remember, prices change very fast. Don't wait too long because tomorrow's deal could be gone or replaced by a better one. If you enjoyed this honest review and want more Real Talk tech advice, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and may your phone screens be bubble-free and your selfies crystal clear.